What's going on, everyone? This is Sean with another Tesla video, and this one is a continuation from a previous video I did a few days ago. So before you watch this one, make sure and go watch part 1. I'm going to relabel the video, but it's titled My Tesla Service Rant. So I'll label it part 1, that way it's easy for you to find, but it was maybe 3 or 4 days ago. I want to give you an update on the progress of the windshield. So the local service center here in Denver was working diligently to source me a windshield. While they were doing that, I was reminded by another fellow Tesla owner here in Denver that as owners, we have the ability to escalate an issue within our account if we log in online. Essentially, it says it goes directly to an executive for review. I sent that in on last Friday, 10:12 a.m., and just a little over 24 hours later, I received a response back from that team. There must be a particular team that manages those incoming emails to escalate an issue. They expressed their apologies, and they said that they would work on it. I received an update this morning at 7:49 saying that they had received information that the service center should be receiving the part by end of day today. Someone from the service center, I'm reading the email, someone from the service center will be reaching out to schedule you in. I'd say maybe 3 hours later, I received a call from the local service center letting me know that it had indeed come in and that they're ready for me to take in my car to replace the windshield. So, great news. I'll be taking my car in tomorrow. By the time you're seeing this, it will be same day, but I'll be taking my car in tomorrow at 11:15 or so to get the windshield swapped out. They will be providing a loaner. So Tesla, thank you for whatever you did. Once I reached out and escalated the issue, it seemed like the part was here pretty quickly. So for those that are Tesla owners experiencing challenges, log into your account and go down to the support or help area, and there's a drop-down menu where you can select to escalate an issue. I have mixed feelings about this, leveraging this. I sort of feel like I shouldn't have to escalate the issue, in that it shouldn't take 3 months to source the part, and the moment that I do escalate the issue, it comes in pretty immediately. Rather than have a feature like that, just take care of it instantly. I don't know everything that goes on the back end with Tesla and parts, but it would seem like the best way to fix this problem would be just to have expedited service for everyone, not just people who complain by submitting the issue and escalating it to an executive. Those are just my thoughts. When all is said and done here with this situation, I'm just super happy to be getting the replacement windshield, especially since the crack in my windshield is growing larger and larger. So that's it for this one. I'd love to hear, if you're a Tesla owner, have you utilized this escalation feature inside of your account? Put it down in the comments down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one.